This week's video is a whole lot different to my usual type of videos. You know, if you've been watching my DS Loan and Finance channel for a while now, you really ever know that when it comes to investing, I only talk about two things. That's stocks and properties. That will always be the basis of my channel. I live by that. But recently I've been eyeing up another type of investing, and we're talking about commodities, guys, but in particular, investing in silver. But before I explain my reasoning as to why, I need you guys to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe with the notification bell on as well. So as I was saying before, I'm considering investing in some silver now. And ironically, it's because of GameStop. For those of you guys that don't know, GameStop is a stock that has been struggling for a while now. They have a really old-fashioned way of selling their games and consoles to their customers. And as you guys can probably tell, coronavirus has not been good to this stock at all. So much so that a lot of the big hedge funds from America and across the world tried to short sell GameStop. In other words, they tried to make money from the stock going down in price. And what actually happened was a big online community, stock market community on Reddit. They caught wind of this, people, you know, and what they tried to do was oppose these hedge funds by doing the reverse, buying more into GameStop. So you guys can imagine, for the finite number of shares, you know, compared to the now increased demand, the share price went up, and dramatically too. Hence resulting in the big hedge funds losing an immense amount of money. This has never happened before. It's quite the phenomenon. But the sticking point is here. All those investors that made those huge gains, and when I mean huge, I'm talking about 1,000+ % sort of huge gains. All of them investors struggled to get their money out. This is crazy. You see, whilst this is a unicorn moment because it rarely happens, it did make me wonder though, what do you truly own, DS Loan and Finance? You know, yes, a stock has true intrinsic value, but it doesn't stop it from being potentially manipulated by the rest of the market. This is a big problem in my eyes. All the more reason actually why you need to diversify your portfolio, guys. And that's why I'm considering investing in silver. It's not only because silver is something physical that has a true value, but it's also because silver is in demand right now, people. Silver has many purposes. It's not just for jewelry purposes that people can wear, but silver is used in so many industrial applications. It's used to make cell phones, solar energy, and also cars, just to name a few. And it gets even better because for the high demand of silver that there is, with so many different applications of it, there's a depleting supply, and massively depleted at that. And you guys know better than anyone, when you have a high demand and a finite supply, that's always going to cause a massive price rise. But the best part, the icing on the cake, guys, is that silver is cheap, shockingly cheap right now. At this time of recording, we're talking about an ounce of silver costing £20. Whilst comparing it to some of his peers, like gold is around £1,350 right now, platinum is around £850, and palladium is £1,700, you guys can see just how cheap silver actually is right now, and hence why I'm considering investing in it. I just think it's times like now with the current pandemic that show how important it is for you guys to diversify your portfolio. It's always a good idea having some of your assets in the form of commodities, something that has an intrinsic value, both physically and financially too. But that's just my thoughts. Let me know what your opinion on this form of investing is. Have you done it in the past, or are you just like me considering doing it, guys? I want to know down in the comment box below. And whilst you're at it, make sure to like this video, share it too, and subscribe with the notification bell on as well. It's your favourite YouTuber, DS Loan and Finance, sharing my thoughts and my opinions with you guys every Sunday at 3 PM. Have a great day, people. Bye. Whoa.